Larson Electronics electric no-touch hand sanitizer dispenser utilizes infrared sensor technology to detect movement for dispensing sanitizer, which is ideal when operating during a public health emergency. One of the best features of this device is that operators can use any type of liquid hand sanitizer with this device, even a homemade sanitizer. This ensures that your devices can always be filled and not reliant on shortages of proprietary cartridges. Our XLE MD DFAD HS120V electric automatic hand sanitizer dispenser can be easily mounted to walls and operates on 120 volts AC. This dispenser provides anti-drip and no trailing features for smooth and mess-free use. With a large 1,000 milliliter capacity, this dispenser will require filling less often. This device comes with a durable safety lock to ensure no tampering when placed in public spaces. This device is a great solution for keeping staff and visitors safe in your facility. There is no limit on order quantity for this unit, making it easier for businesses, schools, and other organizations to have enough for their whole facility. We have these units in stock and ready to ship immediately. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.